very popular these days, so I thought to try this one as well. This is like my all skincare. I ordered some bunch of clothes. वो आ चुका है. And putting on a red lipstick. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So आज है Tuesday. तो guys मैंने अपने वर्क प्लेस से 1 month की हॉलीडे ली है, तो मैं अभी ऑलमोस्ट घर पे ही होती हूँ, तो नई नई डिशेस ट्राई करती रहती हूँ. तो आज मैंने बनाया है समोसा, पंजाबी समोसा. तो गाइस ये मैंने समोसा बनाया है, ये उसकी स्टफिंग, एक्स्ट्रा स्टफिंग अभी और बनाऊँगी. पहले मैं इसको फ्राई कर लूँ. Hey guys, just came from the shower. It's an evening 7 p.m. situation. Yeah, it's getting warmer. Even it's declared that it's going to be heat wave in the upcoming week. It's going to get 26 degrees Celsius. So let's see how it goes. Just doing my routine skincare. Just put on some moisturizer. Using a lip balm. Washed my hair. Put some serum as well. I don't use an expensive serum. I love this one by Livon. Got it from India. Nothing much to do. Going to make my dinner. Before that it was so hot, so I thought I would get a hair wash so that it air dries quickly, because I rarely use any heat on my hair. So see how smooth it has become. I have not used any comb, but still like it glides my hand. You see from the back it looks like this. Also there is a sale going on in H&M, like in store and online both. So I ordered some bunch of clothes that I had like put on my wish list for long. So they were like, they've got like 50% sale. You can check the app and you can visit the store as well. I've ordered some clothes online only because like going to store is not my thing. So once I receive that parcel as well, I'll let you know. I'll do a try on haul as well. Hi guys. तो गाइस हमारा जो अमेज़ॉन का पार्सल था जिसमें मैंने टेम्पर मंगवाया था वो आ चुका है. इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज बॉक्स. सो हम इसको साथ में ओपन करेंगे एंड आई लेट यू नो उसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है, और अगर ये अच्छा है देन आई पुट द links in the description as well, so you can buy from there. So let's unbox it. It's a huge parcel. Okay, so this is the wooden temple. It's quite heavy and sturdy. Dismantled one, so I need to open and assemble it. So let's assemble the temple. I'm keeping this just to secure it. I don't want it to get damaged. We have an instruction page as well. After assembling the temple, it looks something like this. Hey guys, good morning. So it's a Monday morning. I just woke up at 10 a.m. in the morning, had my breakfast, and I ordered like a cabinet from IKEA. So This is what I got. It's a huge cabinet. I love the material, I love the quality. Let me show you. So it has like a five drawer in this one. It's a huge though. So we are going to replace this old one because this is broken. We're going to replace this one with this one and put the TV on this one, and I'm gonna give it to charity. So let's do it together. But before that, I'm gonna take shower because it's so hot in Manchester. I cannot even tell you. It's 26-degree outside and I'm boiling already. So yeah, first we'll take shower and then I'm going to put my things into this one and change this one to this one. So guys, आज इतनी धूप निकली है तो मैंने सोचा कि मेरा सारा स्किन केयर सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया है, तो यहीं से वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे सुपर ड्रग बूथ सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, तो मैं वहाँ जाके पहले सब लेके आती हूँ. उसके बाद कैबिनेट को सेट करूँगी क्योंकि मेरे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट सब कुछ मैं उसी में रखने वाली हूँ. तो एक बार सब कुछ मेरा रीस्टॉक हो जाए उसके बाद आई विल सेट इट अप. सो आई विल टेक यू अलॉन्ग विथ मी इन सुपर ड्रग एज वेल. तो मैं पहले शावर ले लेती हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. तो आई विल सी यू लेटर, बाय. तो गैस बिना किसी तामझाम के मैंने पहन लिया है वाइट नॉर्मल टी फुल्ली कॉटन क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. नथिंग फील्स मोर कॉन्फिडेंट वेयरिंग अ वाइट ड्रेस और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वाइट क्लोथ एंड पुटिंग ऑन अ रेड लिपस्टिक. Putting on my favorite body oil. It's from Plum. It says Plum Body Oil, Vanilla Vibes. Putting on my favorite perfume from Dior. It's the Sauvage, if I'm pronouncing it right. Before you comment, I know it's a men's perfume, but it smells divine. Wearing these cute little socks that I got from Temu. We are ready to go. Okay, see you, bye. तो guys, हम निकल चुके हैं. See the weather. Oh my god, I wish throughout the year यहाँ पे ऐसा ही weather होता. I would have loved to live here. I still do love it. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ली है सुपर ड्रग से. और तो वंस आई रीच होम मैं आपको छोटा सा मिनी हॉल दिखाऊंगी दैट व्हाट ऑल स्किन केयर आई गॉट फ्रॉम देयर. एंड रिव्यूज़ आएंगे थोड़े टाइम बाद नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में मे बी कि ये प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे हैं, अच्छे वर्क कर रहे हैं या नहीं. एंड देन इफ़ यू आर लिविंग इन द UK यू कैन गेट देम एज वेल. मतलब आज वेदर इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि एक बार बाहर निकलने के बाद घर जाने का मन ही नहीं होता. और अभी मेरा लंच भी बाकी है, भूख भी लगी है और मैं आउटसाइड फूड ज़्यादा प्रेफर नहीं करती क्योंकि मेरी बॉडी को वो सूट नहीं होता. तो घर जाके हेल्दी खाना खाएंगे. बट सच में घर जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर वेदर है कि लुक एट द फ्लावर्स. वेट लेट मी शो यू. हाय गाइस, तो मैं आ गई हूँ घर पे. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी तो लंच किया. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली शो यू कि मैंने सुपर ड्रग से क्या क्या लिया है. फर्स्ट थिंग, लेसन लर्न. कभी भी आप शॉपिंग पे जा रहे हो, अगर आप बाय वॉक जा रहे हो UK में, क्योंकि इंडिया के जैसा में यहाँ फैसिलिटी नहीं है कि एक्टिवा लेके कहीं भी चले गए. सो if you are planning to buy like grocery and you're walking, never take bags. Always take like a backpack क्योंकि एक साइड उठा के my shoulder started to pain for a little bit. Okay, so first thing first, I got this soft pocket tissue pack. It's a pack of 10. I always use this one. Then I got this one, cleansing wipes. They smell amazing, from Lidl. They are like 25 wipes, really good one. So moving on to skincare, we have first my shower gel. This one is the Fruity by Superdrug coconut and white peach shower gel. So I love the smell of coconut. This is the first time I'm going to try this one. Usually I buy the vanilla one, but I thought to get the coconut one this time, so I'm gonna try it and let you know how is it. Then we have the facial scrub by Tea Tree. This one is gently exfoliates for visibly brighter skin. It cleanses pores and reduces blackheads as well. I got this one from Superdrug. Then I have from the same brand, I have the foaming face wash. This is the Tea Tree daily use cleansing foaming face wash for healthy and clean skin. And next I have the Simple refreshing facial wash. This is also a face wash by the brand Simple. I've heard like Simple is going really in demand, it's very popular these days, so I thought to try this one as well. So got like a foaming face wash and a normal face wash. And then we have got this one, lime and lemon sparkling water from Tesco. And then we have this storage organization from Poundland. They're for £1, like they're a pack of 3, because I got so many skincare, like I had to get some organizers, because I told you I've got the cabinet as well, so I need to keep everything in that cabinet. So for that I needed like a small storage organization box, super cute. Like this one is in the color, okay, there is no mentioning of color, but this one is like a brown beige color, and this one is white. Look how pretty it looks, it matches my aesthetic. Guys, this is how my cabinet looks. This is the first drawer. I keep all my electronics and my sunglasses and my watch, everything here. This is like my all skincare, my clips, my hair accessories, my jewelry, my perfume, makeup and skincare and everything. And this is like all my medicines, my wet wipes, my sanitizer, micellar water, and like the restock purchase that I just got today. अभी मुझे बहुत सारे पार्सल रिसीव हुए हैं. हल्की हल्की मीठी मीठी बारिश हो रही है. और French braid, because I have something to share.